That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Welcome to Skydive Newport. Throwing yourself out of an airplane today.
Yeah.
How long have you been thinking about doing this?
A while. I was supposed to go last year and then I chickened out.
Ah.
So we scheduled it because I turned 30 next week.
Oh, happy birthday.
30th birthday.
Sweet. You're going to have a good time, I promise you. Anybody you want to say hello to?
Mom, Dad, my fiance.
All right, they all know you're jumping?
Huh?
They all know you're jumping?
My fiance and my dad.
All right.
My mom will probably have a stroke.
Yeah, we have to send her the video afterwards.
Yeah.
We got a beautiful day here in Newport. We're going to go to 10,000 feet, 2 miles up, and throw ourselves out of a working airplane. You ready for this?
Yes,
All
that has to be.
Have fun. We'll see you.
It's a brand new day, so gonna make a little list to keep the worries away. I gotta dance just a little bit, move to be free. Keep my head up, don't forget to be me. Like I won $1 million, like I hit the pay dirt. Gonna smile from ear to ear, the kind that makes your face hurt. And we'll laugh, jump, sing loud, not afraid to shout about being happy, living it out. Take a look and see a beautiful morning that turns into a beautiful evening, and together make a beautiful life. And if you wanna see, then come along with me, that's right. And if you want a good tomorrow, it's pretty simple, gotta find a light to follow. And if you do, you have a future real bright. And it's a combination of consistency. Come on and sing, oh, 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 oh. Come on, come on, come on and sing.
All right, Catherine, coming up on halfway. Halfway up.
What?
That's it.
Oh my God.
How's it looking outside?
You look nice.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Anything you want to say before you go skydiving?
I'm coming, Grandma.
All right, couple minutes, we'll start getting ready. Door will be open, we'll be jumping over Newport, Rhode Island. Have fun, okay? See you out there.
Come on, come on, come on and sing, yeah. Come on, come on, come on and sing. Oh, 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 oh. Here's your story, let's begin. The water's fine, come on, dive in. The future's here, it's right before your eyes. Step by step, you're on your way. Welcome to a brighter day. Don't you know it feels good to be alive? You could be larger than life, bigger than the world, living out the hopes and dreams of every boy and every girl. You could fly higher than the sky, shine brighter than the stars. You could have all you ever wanted.
How was that?
Oh my fucking God. I did not believe I just did that.
Just did it. What'd you think leaving the plane?
I thought, oh, it's loud. I'm falling fast. I didn't feel it. It was crazy. My mouth is dry. I couldn't even like smile. I couldn't like take my hands off. Don't know what to do. It was great. I don't know why I was
You
scared.
lost your goggles too.
Oh shit.
Yeah, and I held your glasses on for you.
I thought they were on tight.
No. Obviously not. Congratulations on your first skydive. You did excellent. Awesome job.
That was amazing.
I'm glad you enjoyed. Nothing to worry about, huh?
It was in my head.
That's right. What do you think of that beautiful view in front of us?
Fantastic.
Alright. Alright, so here we are, 3,500 feet. We do a little bit of a turn so we get some pitches. Keep your left arm up, pull down the right hand side. This is how we turn to the right. We're grabbing the camera. There we go. Shout out you want to give to anyone watching your video?
Daddy, I did it! Mom, sorry I don't watch the video. My Kyle baby,
How was it? Good?
It was good. I don't know what it was.
All right, turn around. What'd you think?
It was awesome.
Yeah, did you have fun?
Yes, I did.
So, what was your favorite part?
Oh my god, all of it.
Yeah, I like that answer. Awesome. See, nothing to worry about.
No.
You killed it. Excellent. Congratulations on your
Happy
first
30th
skydive.
birthday to me.
Yes, happy birthday.